The top exclusive watches can always be found here at SwissWatchExpo. And today we have something very special for our GMT Master lovers. Stick around. Welcome back to SwissWatchExpo. This is Angel, and this week we have something sweet, something unique, and something you will probably not see anywhere but here at SwissWatchExpo. Today we are taking a look at this gorgeous GMT Master II, done in 18 karat yellow gold, but your eyes don't deceive you. That is a diamond and sapphire bezel. Now, of course, we only carry watches that have Rolex factory diamonds, so this is not aftermarket enhanced. This is one of those special references that originally it would have been in particular boutiques. There aren't many of these created, and you still have the GMT functioning on the dial. So essentially, the GMT Master II was an ode to the original GMT Master that was launched in 1955 and redone in 1982 with the idea of being able to tell 3 different time zones versus the 2 by having that bidirectional bezel. Now, if you want to get a little creative, you can turn this bezel bidirectionally as normal, but essentially you will be telling time on 2 different time zones with the hour markers here. Also, something else that's really special about this watch is the fact that they not only set it with diamonds and sapphires, but they use step-cut baguette style diamonds. And so if you know anything about your bling, you know that these diamonds are the top-notch diamonds. Since they only have a few facets, it is very important that the diamonds are clean and pure without any major inclusions. So Rolex does an amazing job of sourcing those stones. They've been set in a channel style setting. So essentially each stone is lined up next to each other very meticulously and then set within a channel where the gold is both on the top and the bottom of the setting. So no prongs. It gives you a really clean look, and it really helps those diamonds to pop and show off. So the other thing about this watch is that you do have the updated movement. This is the 3186 movement, which was launched in around 2006, 2007. So this actually came out around that time, kind of the premiere of that movement. You'll see that movement on some of your Explorer 2s as well. And essentially what that is it's an upgrade, and the fact that you can essentially quick set the hour hand independently without having to go around and around and around as it was on the previous reference. You'll have about a 50-hour power reserve on this watch, but I tell you, when you're looking at this, no one's going to be looking at it to see what time it is. They're going to be looking at this outstanding bezel. So if you know anything about your GMT Master IIs, there are quite a few different styles as far as your Pepsis and your Cokes and things of that nature, but you will not see this on anyone else's wrist. And if you do, it's going to be an amazing conversation about how you acquired it. So here at SwissWatchExpo, of course, we only have the most exclusive watches. If you are wanting something like a GMT Master II or GMT Master, we have an amazing selection as well. This comes in at 40 millimeters and really an amazing, outstanding piece. You have the 18 karat yellow gold in both high polish and satin finish. Just gives such an elegant look to the watch. The markers are going to be in the super luminova, so you'll have that vibrant green under low lighting that really pops against the dial, and that beautifully lacquered dial. And then the GMT Master II is also written in that anniversary green across the dial as well. So an exclusive piece. I'm excited for whoever gets their hands on this. This is a once-in-a-lifetime find. Get everything you need here at SwissWatchExpo. We'll see you next week on the next video, and let us know what you think about this watch down in the comments. We'll see you soon.